Hello everyone, and welcome to yet another maths class. My name is Azubike Ulia, your favorite maths tutor. And in today's class, we will be talking about percentages. We'll be talking about percentages. And before we go on, kindly subscribe to this channel for more quality tutorials, maths tutorials, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified each time we drop a new video. So over to our topic for the day: percentages. 20% means 20 divided by 100. This symbol is short for percent. This symbol is used to represent percent. It's the symbol that represents the word percent. And a fraction in the form 20% is called a percentage. This is called a percentage. A fraction in the form 20% is called a percentage. And to express a percentage as a fraction, first of all, we write down the percent, and we write down the percentage as a fraction of 100. Write the percentage as a fraction of 100. Then you reduce the fraction to its lowest term. We'll take an example. Example 1. Now, express 15% as a fraction in its lowest term. Let's look for the solution. 15% is same thing as 15 divided by 100. To reduce it to its lowest term, we are going to look for a factor that can divide both 15 and 100 without any remainder. And when we look at 15 and 100, we discover that 5 can divide both 15 and can also divide 100. 5 can divide both 15 and 100 without a remainder. If 5 divides 15, it is 3. 5 divides 100, it is 20. So this fraction becomes 3 over 20. Now you see that nothing more can divide this fraction. Nothing more can divide this fraction. There is no other factor that can divide this fraction to reduce it further. So this is the lowest term. 3 over 20 is the lowest term. Simple. We'll take another example. Example 2. express the following fractions as percentages. A, we have 2/5, and B, we have 176/300. 176/300. Let's take A first. 2/5 as a percentage is 2/5 times 100/1. 2 multiplied by 100 is 200 over 5. 2 multiplied by 100 is 200. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. 200 over divided by 5 is 40. 40%. Very simple. B, 176 divided by 300. As a percentage, it will be 176/300 times 100/1. This 0 will cancel out this 0. This 0 will cancel out this 0. So what will be remaining is 176 times 1, which is 176, divided by 3 times 1, 3. 176 divided by 3 is 58 with a remainder of 2. 58 with a remainder of 2, which is 58 whole over 2/3%. Very simple. Now we are going to take a more complicated example before we round up, before we call it a day. Example 3. A worker hammers a post 2.2 meters long into the ground. (66 cm) of the post is below the ground. What percentage of the post is above the ground? What percentage of the post is above the ground? So let us solve this together. Now the total length of the post is 2.2 cm. Sorry, 2.2 meter. And don't forget this, the length of the post is in meter, and the length of the post was given in meter, and the length of the post below ground is given in centimeter. So we need to convert to the same unit. They need to be in the same unit. So let us convert 2.2 meter to centimeter so that it will be the same unit with the length they have given us already, that is below the ground. So 2.2 meter to centimeter is 2.2 times 100, which will be equals to 220 centimeter. You know that 100 centimeter, how did we get this? 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. So when you convert 2.2 meter to centimeter, it gives you 220 centimeters. So now we know the total length of the post is 220 centimeters. And we are told that the post below ground is 66 centimeter. So to find the post above ground, we simply subtract 66 from 220. Simple logic, and that will give us 154 centimeter. So 154 centimeters is the post above ground. But remember, we were told to find the percentage of the post above ground. So the percentage of the post above ground is the post above ground divided by the total length of post times 100 over 1. That is the post above ground. Is the length of the post above ground divided by the total length of the post times 100 over 1. When you divide this, it will give you 0.7. When you divide 154 by 220, it will give you 0.7. Then times this 100 here, the answer becomes 70%. So 70% of the post is above ground. This 154 centimeters represents 70% of the total post. This 154 centimeters represents 70% of 220 cm. That is the post above ground. It is simple. It is very simple. So with that, we are going to call it a day in this class. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get notified each time we drop a new video. I'm going to see you in the next class. As for now, it's goodbye.